Hi guys, I'm Tommaso RUMICI and I'm speaking from Antonini's booth in IWA 2022, and this time I would like to present you the new tool that we developed together with the Italian firefighters. This is something really different from what you usually see from the knife industry, this one was designed based on the request from our firefighters, especially from the personnel that usually works on car accidents. So all the tools inside are made to free the driver and the passengers after a car crash. You see the main body is an hardened steel lever, so you can use it to lift all the plastics inside the car and check if there are airbag cartridges or electrical wires or anything that can be dangerous when you are working on the body or cutting the body of the car. You also have this nail remover, and here you have a belt cutter. Also on the opposite side we have a window crusher. This is not a steel one, but this is a tungsten carbide one, so it works really better than steel, and you can also use it to write on the car body. There are two wrenches. This one is for to open the battery clamps on trucks, and this one to open the same element but on cars. Also, when you're working on the front window that is usually made of safety glass, the crusher is not enough, so you use this one to make the first hole through the glass, and then you open this one that is a glass saw, and using the tool in this way you can saw down the windshield. There is a lock, a button lock, that works both in open position and in closed position for additional safety for the rescue personnel. Finally, we have a blade, a hooked blade, that is useful to cut everything inside the car, like seats or the ceiling, to see everything about the airbag and all the safety gears inside the car that may explode or may be dangerous when you are working on the body. Finally, we have a ruler here if you need to measure where to cut, a few inserts that are glow in the dark, and a clip so you can put it on the jacket or in the pocket, or simply when you're working put the tool on the jacket and then take it on again. And there is also an hole if you have any attachment that you want to fix. I will also speak about a previous project that I made that is still a rescue knife, or better, is a line of rescue knives. Antonini has a long tradition with rescue tools, and this one is not my design, is what they made in the past, in the last years, and that is still in catalog in several versions. You see, it's tech empowered by Lion Steel because the two brands are working together in the rescue section to do the best product possible. Antonini came to me showing what they did in the past and asking if I have any new idea. So my answer was the reset line made by 3 different designs. The first one is the real rescue in the group, called the SAR, for Search and Rescue. And you see we have a special kind of lock patented by Lionsteel, that it looks like an axis but is completely different from the Benchmade system. If you go and look on the website, you will probably see a section view and understand better how it works. This knife, when it's closed, you have a glass breaker that is not a steel one but is a tungsten carbide. You also have a belt cutter that works with the closed knife, and also the locking system works with the blade closed, so when cutting you don't risk to open the blade. This is a bit holder with a magnet inside, and to open this special knife you don't have any thumb stud or hole, because you have the locking system even with the closed blade. You simply do this. You don't have a point, it's not sharpened here, it's just a screwdriver. So you just place it on your vest, on your service jacket, take the control backward and open the knife. And now you are ready to cut. You have a long edge and also a short serrated part if you need to start your cut on difficult materials. The other 2 are more normal knives. So this one is the C SAR, so it means combat SAR, and it's made for military personnel. You see the blade is different, and here you can open the knife with one hand because you don't have any lock in this version. And also you have this piece here to make opening with the gloves easier. We still have the glass breaker and the bit holder, and also the clip that is reversible on both sides. And compared to this one, the hole is here. On the rescue one, we put the hole here because we wanted it to be used this way and also this way. So a hole here will be not the best. This one is the N SAR, so it means navy, but in my opinion is not only for boat or for the sea, because it's a great EDC knife. I quite often carry this one as EDC. A main difference between this kind of knives and the normal sporting knife is that this locking system is a bit more difficult to open, because Antonini's customer ask for it. So they don't need to open the knife fast and a lot of times, but they want to open the knife and be sure if they are opening or not the blade. So for safety reason is a bit stiffer, is a bit more difficult, but is what we wanted from the beginning. So this was the reset line. Hope you like it, and thank you.